Got him. What's going on, guys? Jay's Journey. And we are fishing at Glendale today. And as always, we got the Zebco rod, tort, reel. Also, we've got the tried and true crawfish jig, Texas rig, plastic bait. So we're gonna go ahead and fish out here, see what we can catch. I'm out here with the lovely missus. She's fishing with the new pole, so if she catches something first, I'm gonna be so mad. So let's get it going. I think that whopper plopper is gonna work. If I use that whopper plopper, I'm gonna catch something big. I did.
You did?
Yeah.
God dang.
I think I did.
Oh wow, nice fish.
Oh. Got him. Yep. There's two of them. Oh. Okay. All right. Got him. Yeah, he's a big one.
That's nice.
See if we can get a better angle.
Nice.
He's a big size fish. All right. Let me let you go, buddy. Got him. Get out of that stick. Come here, buddy. Let's catch these suckers. All right. He's decent. There it goes. See? All right. Little bass.